Hello everybody, and welcome to the first episode of the travel book, where I'm going to be documenting all of my travels from here in IKEA, here in Burbank, all the way to London. This is the beginning. So, it begins. Yeah, so here's the map, if you're lost. Here we are, this is the first floor, and over there is the beginning. Okay, but first I want to get a shout out to this room. Like, is this poker? Oh yeah, that's strap. We got this comfy couch. Samsung. Yeah. And we've got that. And we've got this bedroom, which is kind of green, and I like this. I like this very much. Ooh, this is a nice gaming room, and the TV actually works. And we got a non-working Xbox 360. And then this fake computer. They took out the keys. Like, what the heck? We got this very expensive fridge. Has a lot of space though. And then we got this. I think that we got this oven. Of course, there's nothing in it. Fake food. We got the sink. And finally, we got the desk. And then this is the dining room. On to section 2. We got this couch, which is kind of like the L shape. And then we got another blue couch right across. Now I gotta do the initial comfort test. So far, sounds good. And you know what? Feels pretty comfortable in general. I wanna... So here we're in another section. And let's check this couch. Pretty comfy. See why they call this a sofa bed. But yeah. We're into section 3, and I think the previous section was 2.5. Now let's see what the living room storage is. In case you were wondering, bathroom tour, which looks pretty tiny. Like, then we got this shower, and I've got this toilet. Okay, don't tell me that the restrooms are in. This might actually work for a very small bedroom, like bedroom bathroom kind of thing. If I sit here, I have a view of the TV, and then I have the view of the outside. So yeah, pretty solid. Hopscotch for some reason. We're finally into another section that is not a half. So I'm in the dining room section, and then there's this boring table over here, and we got this, like, this table, and then spinny chair. Guys, if you were to play a game of hide and seek, there's still a ton of good spots. Like, this building's huge, absolutely massive. Finally, in the next section, we literally have like maybe like 5 more sections until we get to finally eat. Ooh, room builder.
A few moments later.
This took me some time, but this is what I managed to do in 7 minutes. This absolutely sucks. We're finally in workspaces. We're getting closer and closer to food. Welcome to an alternate reality of Jack 1. I could have been here, but I wasn't. This setup, there's like a monitor and then a vertical monitor. We got a headphone stand, we got some broken keyboards, and we got a ring light. And then this room is cooler, like, you got a place to hang your clothes. Got that. And we've got, I guess, a little area to study. Maybe make some videos. Okay, so I'm in section 6, right? There's people playing hide and seek here.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Guys, if you were to play a game of hide and seek, there's still a ton of good spots. Like, yeah. Can't even believe people are playing hide and seek here. Like, I know it's fun and all, but that's just crazy. They have some old technology. Now we're in section 7. We have 5 more before the food court. And look at this bed. Slatinum. Let's do some sleep. First impressions, it's comfy. Even though this is not the softest of beds, I could sleep here. We're onto a new section, section 8. Now let me find something to review. Let's go over to the Barbie kitchen. This is boring. I just saw someone testing this room. They brought in the whole shopping cart. What are these people doing bringing out these tools and stuff from IKEA into these rooms? Like, stuff that is crazy. Like, and speaking of which, the children's IKEA section. 2 more. Look at all these kids' rooms. I'm not gonna risk going that high. Kitchen, play kitchen. It's just tiny, very tiny with fake food. And then we got this storage set, and then we got some paints. Tiny this is. I think I'm the same height as this. And then we got this. Look, that's so tiny. Look at this. That's all so tiny. Both sections are now visible. Power generator? Okay. Never mind. We're finally at the restaurant. But I think I need to do this before, the restaurant. Okay, so I've got some food here. Let me do the fries first. Those are some pretty good fries. Now, the chicken tenders. It is good. And then finally the chocolate cake.
Here, do it now.
Oh yeah. That chocolate cake is good. You know what? I really like the food. I like the chicken strips. It was good. I like the French fries. And I like the chocolate cake. Like, the chocolate cake was good. But now we have to proceed onward. Are the elevators. The marketplace. And start the under $5 section. Here we are, section 12. I'm actually tired. Is this a good walk? Okay, here it is. The bed textiles. Okay, we're slowly starting to speed up. We have bathroom, but maybe I should review some stuff. Because I didn't review some stuff earlier. So here we've gotten this grimace looking bathroom that looks like a nice shower. And then we got a nice thing over here. And then if I go over to the bed textile, one actually has a unique design. Yeah, this literally looks something out of a cartoon show. Now we have textiles. This is so... I am going to cross the 17th border. I've crossed it. I'm going to finally review a rug. Let's do this one. Feels thick, but it kind of feels like hair. Finally, home organization. I'm probably gonna find something later to review. But yeah. Take a look. This is apparently a set where they show tools, and then there's paints, and then this is what it looks like. I mean, it's okay. Like, it's good for, like, if you're an artist or something. But yeah. Just in case you got bored, here is the layout. You go up the elevators, you go through here to the showrooms, you eat, go down the elevators, and then you go, because right now we're over, like lighting. Yeah, lighting. We're over here in lighting. And here is what we have to do left. By the way, I'm recording this September 2nd. This clip is recorded at 7:40 at night. And then they have these randomly scattered vending machines all over the place. At least they advertise the exit as the finish line, because this thing is a maze. So as you can see, we're in lighting. And I previously mentioned, there's these LEDs over there. And this one you could change. Here we are. We're almost there. And then today I'm reviewing the Halloween decorations. Ooh, yeah, look at these Halloween decorations. I like these, especially this chair. Oh, so comfortable. I just want to... Finally, almost out of the place. We're in home decoration. On this episode of Jack Smells Stuff, I'm going to be sniffing Rosenslan. Okay. You know what? I actually like this smell, but yeah, it smells good. But speaking of smelling good, we're almost towards ice cream, so that means we're at section 21. Oh, sorry. And we got some fake plants. Like, I know you want to spruce up your room, but at least get real ones. So here's the Swedish market. It's kind of small, but yeah, it's gonna get bigger later. And finally, after walking for so long, we're finally here. Self-serve. We're almost there. This is number 23 as mentioned before. Okay, the section looks weird, but let me do this $400 couch. I could sleep in it, but it's kind of hard. Like, this thing barely has any padding. We finally made it. The checkout. And then ice cream. We're now over here at the food section. And my dad got a cone and a veggie dog. Meanwhile, I got a cinnamon. First number, $13.65. And then after this, I'm gonna get a quick review in the car. And once I'm done, then that concludes the end of the first video of the travel book. We are now finished. We started with light. Around 4 hours later, it is now completely dark. And around 8:35. Okay, before I end the video, I'm going to try the cinnamon roll. You know what? It is actually pretty good.
What?
And with that bite, this concludes the video. I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.